So hello guys, today we are discussing about the material type. So previously we have created a material master record. In that there is one option is there while we are creating the material, that is material type. So today we are discussing about the material type. What is the material type here? So material type is nothing but classification of all the materials into a material type. Like for example, material type we have raw material, semi-finished product, finished products. So everything comes under material types. So basically the interviewers, if you're going in an interview, so basically they are asking about the material type control functions. So we have to explain what is the material type control functions. There are some 6 points here, so I am explaining about this. uh, what is this everything. So the first one is uh, a number assignment, whether it should be external or internals. So while we are creating the material there, like some random number will be appearing, so that random number it should be from external or internal. So that is nothing but a number assignment. The second one is the field selections. So the field selections nothing but we are saying that the dialog boxes, like for example material group, purchasing group, these are all we used to call it as a field. So that field is to be selected with mandatory, or it should be in optionals, like that we are defining. Then third point is external procurement or internal procurement. So the nothing but the material should be procured from the external or internal only. Like for example, we are procuring from vendor, so we calling as a external. So when the material is from inside the plant only, so that we are demanding, so we are receiving from plant only, so that we used to call as internal. So inventory is received or not, the quantity and value basis. I'll explain this one in while we are creating the material type. So I'll go directly and we will see that how material type is. Okay guys, so T code for that material type creating, so YMS2. So enter here. So look at here, so I already created this one material type. So remember one thing, while we are creating anything from the starting, so we have to copy as from the standard. That is the rule here. So actually I'll copy as from the standard. Okay, so I'll creating my own HPP. I'll create my material type. Description is finished product for HPP. So the field reference nothing but it shows, like I'll show it, the field reference. The material master record or maintain the field reference determining each field selection group. The field selection groups nothing but a group or several fields are there, like we have to hide or display or required or options like that. Okay, so this is the field selections. Here you can see the departments views. So while we are creating the material tab, we see that the views, select views is there, no, like for example basic data, accounting, purchasing. So these are all the views we are controlling here. So when we are selecting here, then only that appear from the MM01, that while we are creating the material. Okay, so the next one is internal external procurement. I also explained that the external procurement and internal procurement, that means this material type is controlling external or internal. So we are explaining here, this is the explaining one. So then the next one is valuations. The valuations nothing but the price control. So how the price will be controlled, like for example raw materials, we are receiving materials from the vendor, the materials having some value. So due to the market fluctuations, the materials will be up and down. So that's why while we are taking the raw material, always go for moving average. So if the standard price is the MRP price, so basically that prices will be standard throughout the year. So if you are going for a finished product, so you have to select the standard one. So this is one. So that's all here. So enter here. So again enter. Okay. Okay, so our material type is already created. So select this one. We have to go here. There is an option here, quantity and value updating. Click here. Go for position and valuation area. The valuation area nothing but the material which the material has to be valuated. That means plant, our plant 6502. is our valuation area. Always remember we have to update quantity as well as update value. So in further we can discuss what is the importance of this quantity update and valuation update. So as of now, right now, so we have to tick mark both while we are creating the material. Save it. So this is what we are creating, a material type. So HPP. So again I'll go for /o mm01. mm0 nothing but creating the material. So industry sector, I'll select a material. So material type is HPP. Look at here. So we already created that HPP. It's already showing that. So selecting view is there. Select here. You can create your own. So I'll give you some example. Okay. Our plant is 6502. Okay. Enter here. Material description. Finished product. Finished product area. Basic unit of measurement kg. Material group I already created. So I'll explain this one how we are creating this material group. Okay. So go /o/spro here. Reference for IMG. Okay. So general logistic general. So select material master. So here settings for key field. So we are defining the material group here. Click here. So new entries. So we can describe our material type. So I'll type it is 1223 1225. Material description, finished product. You can describe again here. So that's all. Save it. 1225. Okay, so is material group. Okay, save it here. Go back here. Search it. 1225. Okay, so here. So you know that how to create the material group. Okay, just we have to go SPRO, general logistic, key for settings, and define material group. Okay, enter here. So purchasing group. Purchasing group also we have to create. So I'll go purchasing group. Okay, go back here. Again go for SPRO. SPRO, material management here, purchasing, and here create purchasing group. Select here, go for new entries and describe. So the description here, like the person, so person name. So I'll describe my name here. My name is Yasin here. I'll describe. I'll add some number here, telephone number, whatever the number it is. Save it. Enter. Okay. So our purchasing group, that means this Yasin person is having a responsibility that he'll procure the material from the vendor or from the plant. It is responsibility. Save. I'll go back here. Again, I'll go here. It is our purchasing group here. I'll add 12. So here you can see here we have to save it like this. So the next one is valuation class. So valuation class, how we are creating valuation class, that means I'll show it. So the T code for creating the valuation class is OMSK. OMSK is for valuation class. So I'll tell you that. Okay, so first we have to create account category reference. Look here guys, it's already mentioned account category reference in a material type, that is 0009. What is the meaning of 0009 here? A reference for finished products. So we are selecting finished products. If you are going for raw material, 0001 reference for raw materials. You can describe it here also. So if you create your own account category reference, you can create here, you can assign there only. So after that, like for example, I'll look at here. So these are all the, I'll select this one, it's a standard. I'll go back, creating the valuation class. So when we are creating the valuation class, there is an option here, account category reference. You have to mention here. That means what we are creating the valuation class, we are linking to account category reference, and account category reference is linking to material type. Material type is linking to material. That means I'll show it here. This valuation class is linked to GL account. So I'll show it in a graph. Look at this guys. So account category reference. Account category reference we are mentioned in material type. Material type. So material type is linking. Material type is linking to account category reference. I already show it here, account category reference. Where is that? So here 0009. After that, this account category reference is linking to valuation class. Okay, this account category reference is linking to valuation class. How is it? I'll show it. Okay, so look at here, this 0009 is linking to valuation class 1101100. This valuation class having a lot of GL accounts, like more than hundreds of GL accounts will be there in this one valuation class. So the material value is there. No, the material value is indirectly connected to GL account. This is what we are like. If someone is explaining how a GL account, how a valuation class will be there, how account category reference will be linked, so we have to explain each step by step. So we have to explain through T codes. So material type we are going for OMS2 here. So in OMS2 material type, in that account category reference we are linking. After that, there is, if you want to create valuation class, so we have to go for OMSK. So OMSK is linking to GL account. So the GL account part will be taking out FI consultant. It's not our job. So as of right now has a SAP MM. So this much valuation class has to be created. Got it? Okay, so this one is our valuation class. What is our valuation class? 7920. Okay, so this one is our 100. So this price is there, no standard price. The standard price is directly saved in GL account through valuation class. So enter, save. So this number is there, no? The number 7763, this is nothing but number assignment. The number assignment, it's controlled by material type. The number assignment, it should be internal, external, or both, controlled by material type. So can we create our own material as number assignment? Yes, we can create our own number assignment. I'll show it that one, how we are creating. Okay, so go here, SPRO IMG. So we have to go for logistic general in material master. So look at here, basic settings. After that, first we have to go for logistic general, material type, basic settings. That material type is there. Assigning define number ranges for each material type. Click here. So look at here, so these are all the number ranges what we are assigned. So when the material is created, the number will be appear, no? That number will be come from this here. It has a range. So from number range to number range, these are all the range. If you want to create external, we have to tick mark as a external here. Look at here. So this number ranges is an external. What is the difference between internal and external? So internal, nothing but the system automatically pick some random number between these two. And if external is tick mark, so manually we have to select the number ranges to our material. That is the difference between these two. Okay, from here you can create number ranges. Okay guys, so thank you for today's class. Hope you understand this. If it is any problems regarding about the material type creating, just comment below. We'll do it, search it, and we'll do it. Okay, so the next videos will be come from tomorrow. That will be the vendor material master. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you guys. Bye.